everybody, welcome to Culinary Undertaking. I'm TJ, thanks for watching. And as you can see, I've got on my best grubbiest shirt that I don't care what happens to. It's already all stained up and gross and everything. Because today, I'm going to take you outside and I'm going to show you how to clean my grill. Well, how I clean my grill. Hopefully it'll give you some inspiration to clean yours, because like it or not, it's that time of year. Summer's over, we're well into fall. A lot of you, your grilling season's already over. And so it's time to get out there, clean your grills up real good, get them put away. Now, if you're like me and you live in an area where you grill all year, since summer's just over, I've kind of neglected mine for most of the summer because it was just way too hot to be out there cleaning that thing. So I have to do this to mine about 3 or 4 times a year. So mine's definitely due to be cleaned. So I'm going to take you out, show you how I clean my grill. And it's just a Traeger pellet grill. So if you have a similar pellet grill, maybe you'll learn something different. If you don't have a grill that is like mine at all, watch me anyway, just because I'm fun and entertaining, and maybe you'll learn something, or it'll motivate you to go clean whatever kind of grill you have, because you can put it off, but you gotta do it. So let's make our way outside. I'll show you how I take care of mine and get this nasty job out of the way, and I'll see you out there. All right, there it is. And I'll give you a quick little breakdown here. Way over here on the far left, right there, that's my temperature control, and that big box is my hopper that holds all my pellets. I'll show you that. There's the main cooking chamber. There's my cold smoking chamber. And then down there is my grease bucket. And that thing is full and gross. And you can tell I've replaced it. The one that comes with the grill holds about, I don't know, 2 or 3 cups. It's really small, so I got a chain and I got a big huge bucket, so I don't have to empty this thing as much. There's my gross brush. It's time to replace that. There's my hopper where my pellets go. Now the main cooking chamber, it doesn't look dirty. I did cook on it last night, but I used a pot in here, so I didn't have any drippings down on the bottom. And anytime anything drips, I change the foil under there. So this part looks clean, but we're going to take this all out, and the all under there is going to be way full of ash. We're going to have to sweep that out. And then on the cold side, there's no bottom to it. It just opens up and goes down into our grease bucket. And this side's pretty good. I don't really have to do much over here. What I'll do sometimes is I'll take my brush and I'll use the scraper side and kind of knock some of this build up off of here, especially like off the hinge and stuff like that. But I don't mess with it too much. And then to do all that, I've got my handy little vacuum here, and I use this only for the grill. That's all this thing touches. That's it. So it's dirty, it's gross, and that's what it's for. And other than that, we'll use a few paper towels, and I'll show you how we're going to clean her up. Alright, now with the tray and the little heat shield out, you can see now from over here where the pellets are, there's a little auger that pulls them through down in my little heating pot. So you can tell that needs cleaned out. The top of that's dusty, and the whole inside of this thing. See if I can show you how deep some of this stuff is. I don't think I'm going to be able to avoid my shadow today. And there you go, pretty deep. Needs cleaned out, so we're going to vacuum all that out, including down inside the hot pot right there. And then The sides, I'll scrape those down just a little. I don't go too nuts on that stuff, but I'll make sure that the little ledge where my grate sits, I'll make sure that's clean. And then where the grease drains out, we'll have to take a scraper, scrape all that out, and then through that little hole, everything goes through that little hole, ends up in our gross bucket. So let me get the vacuum out, we'll start cleaning this thing out. Yeah, you missed some of what I did because the heat got too hot. I turned my camera off and I didn't know it. So, but I'll show you what you didn't miss much, but I'll show you. But now it's time for the bucket of gross. Hopefully I can do this by myself. Usually I have someone hold the thing for me. Gross. There it is. Yeah. Alright, so the cold half is good. I didn't do much there, just scraped down a little bit. Grease bucket is empty. Now there's a little bit in there. My container wouldn't hold all of it, but there you go. It's back where it belongs. Inside nice and clean. I cleaned out the trough down there. I think that's what you guys missed when my camera shut off. So my drain trough, I cleaned that out, and then I scraped down the grill grates, but you guys know how to do that. And then over here, I don't do anything with this. I don't pull my pellets out. I just leave those in there for my next cook. And the only other thing that sometimes I would do is some of these areas right here where it gets a little rust on it. I hit it with some grill paint, which I've done several times. When summer, right before summer started, I painted all the silver on there. I found some silver grill paint and I painted all my doors. But there it is, it's ready for the next one. So all the soot and gross stuff's cleaned out of the bottom where all the ash is. The grease bucket is emptied. The grill grates are clean. And I'm good for the next one. So there you have it. That's how I clean my smoker. Hopefully that helps you. If nothing else, I hope it motivates you to get out and clean whatever grill or smoker that you use. It's that time of year. We have to do it. So you might as well do it now and get it over with. It's starting to cool down. Even though my camera did shut off because it got too hot while I was out there. So you missed a little bit. I don't think it was much. You know, cleaning grill grates, you guys know how to do that. I just wanted to give a quick overall view of how I take my grill, my smoker, how I tear it apart, how it works, just so people that are interested would know. But anyway, hopefully that helped you. Get out there, clean it, give your girl some love. It'll love you back. You know it. Anyway, I'm going to go jump in the shower because now I feel gross. So, on that note, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.